Hey sweeties, this is Shanique with Technique. So today I am going to be showing you guys a steamer. This is the Neakasa Magic Vacuum Steamer. Now what makes this so different than your regular steamers is that you can do one swipe. One swipe. And here it is. But let me show you what you guys can do. So you put the water here. There's a little latch. You take it out and you get two water tanks. You get one and then you get two. So all you have to do is put this in, snap, go to the back, and here's the on button, and you hold the on button on. Once you have it on, you give it some time. I love the fact that you can use one hand. I love that it has this big opening suction, and within there's two within the suction in itself. So it's perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the steam. And I'm going to give it a moment. And you will start to see the steam that comes out. And there you go. So here it has a fan, the suction part. So I'm going to go down the shirt. One swipe. One swipe. Love it. All the way down the shirt. And here we go again. All the way down the shirt. It is perfect. It doesn't cut off. It stays on. As long as you have the tank filled with distilled water. You have to put distilled water in the tank. You can't get any better than this. So I want to show you the suction. Here's the suction. Look at that. Let me show you again. Look at the suction. Perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. It's better than having an iron and you have to get out of the iron board. You have to place it on there and then iron it. You can't get any better than this. Now you can go to Neakasa.com or you can go to Amazon and get this from Amazon. So I hope you guys enjoy the demonstration, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.